Yes students, today we will continue exercise 3.3. In previous video I have explained up to question number 10. In today's video we will start from question number 11. So question number 11 statement is cos 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos 3 pi by 4 minus x, and prove that this result is equals to minus root 2 sin x. In this sum we will take firstly left hand side. Here two terms of cos given to you, and between these two terms minus sign is here. Then very easily you can identify which formula you will use in this sum. You will use that cos x minus cos y, this is equals to minus 2 sin x plus y by 2 into sin x minus y by 2. We will use this formula here. So this left hand side, by using this formula, it can be written as minus 2 sin x plus y by 2 means sin, what is x here, 3 pi by 4 plus x, plus y, what is y here, 3 pi by 4 minus x, and divided by 2 into second term is sin x minus y by 2. Again x is 3 pi by 4 plus x, and minus y is 3 pi by 4 minus x. When you will simplify it, minus x is cancelled with plus x. It gives you 3 pi by 4 plus 3 pi by 4. It becomes twice of 3 pi by 4, and this 2 is cancelled with 2, means this is equals to 3 pi by 4 into sin here. When you will take this minus side inside, then this minus is changed into plus, 3 pi by 4 cancelled, x plus x it becomes 2x, and 2x by 2 it becomes x. Now value of sin 3 pi by 4. Sin 3 pi by 4 can be written as sin pi by 2 plus pi by 4 into sin x. Now you will use the formula here, sin 90 plus theta. 90 plus something means second quadrant, and in second quadrant sign is positive, but in case of 90 sign is changed into cos. So this is equals to cos pi by 4 into sin x. Now what is value of cos pi by 4? Cos pi by 4 means cos 45, and we know that cos 45 is 1 by root 2, and this root 2 is cancelled with 2. So answer is minus root 2 sin x, which is equals to right hand side of this sum. So this is question number 11. I hope all of you understood this sum, and if you have not learned the formulas, please learn all the formulas related to this exercise, because without formula you cannot do these sums. So learn all the formulas related to this exercise. Now see next question, question number 12. In question number 12 statement is sin square 6x minus sin square 4x. Prove that this is equals to sin 2x into sin 10x. Yes, if square is not given to you, then very easily you can use the formula of sin x minus sin y. But now square is given to you, and there is not any formula for square. So firstly you will use the identity a square minus b square. So by using this identity, this sin square 6x minus sin square 4x can be written as sin 6x minus sin 4x into sin 6x plus sin 4x. Now you will use the formula of sin x minus sin y and sin x plus sin y. Sin x minus sin y is equals to 2 cos x plus y by 2 into sin x minus y by 2. What is x and y here? 6x and 4x. 6x plus 4x, 10x. 10x divided by 2, it becomes 5x. Similarly here, x minus y by 2, 6x minus 4x, 2x, and 2x divided by 2, it becomes 2. So in place of sin x minus sin y, we have written 2 cos x plus y by 2 into sin x minus y by 2. Now on the second bracket use the formula of sine x plus sine y, which is equals to 2 sine x plus y by 2 means sine 5x into cos x minus y by 2, which is equals to cos x. This is angle of this sine x. Now see here, take this 2 sine 5x and cos 5x together. 2 sine 5x into cos 5x in single bracket, and in the second bracket take remaining terms, this 2, then sine x, and this last term cos x. Why we are taking these terms together? Because this is formula of sine 2x. 2 sine x into cos x is equal to sine 2x, but now in place of x 5x is written here, that's why it becomes sine 2 into 5x. Similarly, this is equals to sine 2 into x, and 2 into 5x it can be written as sine 10x, and this is sine 2x, which is equals to right hand side. Hence given sum is proved. It means in this sum we have used the formula of sine x minus sine y, sine x plus sine y, plus formula of sine 2x, which is equals to 2 sine x into cos x. These three formulas are used in this sum. Again and again I am saying, learn all the formulas of this exercise, then only you will be able to do these sums. Now see next question, question number 13. In 13th question, statement is this. I am not explaining this 13th sum because this sum is similar to question number 12. You will try to solve yourself. I am explaining next question, question number 14. In this sum, statement is sine 2x plus twice of sine 4x plus sine 6x. Prove that this is equals to 4 cos square x into sine 4x. Now firstly middle term remains as it is. Use the formula of sine x plus sine y on these two extreme terms, on first and third term. After using this formula we will get 2 sine c x plus y by 2 means 8x by 2, this becomes 4x, into cos x minus y by 2, this is 2x, and this middle term remains as it is. Write down it at the end. Now if you see here, 2 is common, sine 4x is also common. Taking 2 into sine 4x common, it becomes cos 2x plus 1. Now if you see right hand side, 2 is here and sine 4x is also. Now you need cos square x. So one formula is there for cos 2x. Cos 2x is equals to 2 cos square x minus 1. By using this formula, we will, here cos 2x plus 1, this minus 1 comes on this side, it becomes plus 1. It means by using this formula, cos 2x plus 1 can be written as twice of cos square x. So use this result here. This 2 into sine 4x remains as it is. In place of cos 2x plus 1, write down 2 cos square x, and after multiplying it you will get the required result. 2 into 2 it becomes 4, then sine 4x, and last is cos square x, which is equals to right hand side. So this is question number 14. I hope all of you understood this sum. Now see next sum, question number 15. 2 more sums I will explain in this video, question number 15 and 16. 17 you will do yourself. Now see last second sum of this video, question number 14. Statement is sine 2x plus 2 of sine 4x plus sine 6x. This is question number 14. Already I have explained, sorry. Now see question number 15th. In question number 15, statement is cotangent 4x into sine 5x plus sine 3x. Prove that this is equals to cot x into sine 5x minus sine 3x. In this sum we will solve both the sides, left hand side and right hand side. And if in the end you are getting same result, it means given result is proved. So firstly see left hand side. This cot 4x can be written as cos 4x by sine 4x, and on the bracket you will use the formula of sine x plus sine y, which is equals to 2 sine x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2. Now this sine 4x is cancelled with sine 4x. It becomes 2 into cos 4x into cos x. This is the value of left hand side. Now we will simplify right hand side. On right hand side also write down this quote x as cos x by sin x, and inside the bracket two terms are written. Both the terms are of sine. Minus sign is there. We will use the formula of sin x minus sin y, which is equals to 2 cos x plus y by 2 means 4x into sin x minus y by 2 means this is sin x. Here also sin x is cancelled with sin, and remaining terms 2 cos 4x into cos x. So this is right hand side, and if you see very carefully, left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence given result is proved. So this is question number 15. Now see last question of this video, question number 16. 17th sum you will try yourself, because question number 16 and 17 both are similar. In question number 16, prove that cos 9x minus cos 5x divided by sin 17x minus sin 3x, prove that this is equals to minus sin 2x by cos of 10x. So in this sum we will simplify left hand side. In the numerator use the formula of cos x minus cos y, which is equals to minus 2 sin x plus y by 2, 9x plus 5x 14x by 2 it is 7x, into sin x minus y by 2, this is 2x, divided by, in the denominator you will use the formula of sin x minus sin y, which is equals to 2 cos x plus y by 2, this is 10x, into sin x minus y by 2, 17 minus 3 14, 14 by 2 7, this is 7x. Here sin 7x is cancelled with sin 7x, 2 is cancelled with 2, remaining terms gives you right hand side, which is equals to minus sin 2x divided by cos 10x. So this is question number 16, and 17 you will do yourself. I hope all of you understood this exercise up to 17th sum, and again I am saying learn all the formulas related to this exercise. Thank you.